It's been a long time since I did a Patagonia unboxing. So I recently, we had to evacuate because of the fires and learned a lot of things about the importance of being organized and papers that you need to take with you. But I also learned, like, I really wish I had had a large bag because we had not that much time before we had to get out. And so I thought, well, let's be more prepared and get a giant bag. So if we ever have that situation again, hopefully we can get out in a more timely fashion and that we can be more organized as we get out. So anyways, here it is. This is like the, I think this is like the most popular. And I always like to see sort of packaging. So it's pretty simply packaged. There's not like a lot of stuffing or anything in there. It's just sort of sitting in there. But this is, excuse me, this is the Black Hole Patagonia bag. And we love Patagonia, as you can obviously see. But, we didn't have anything quite this large, and so I feel like this is something that we needed. Oh, this is nice. So this is the Black Hole Duffel 120 liters, so the measurement of what fits in there. And it comes, I didn't know that it came like this, but it comes with this sort of nice zipper packaging. So it's probably one of those things where once you take it out, you can probably never, ever, ever get it back in. But here it is. It's tucked in here pretty well, so I'm fairly certain I'm never going to get it back in. That's fine. So let's do this. Oh, and it might actually, this pocket might, I know nothing about this bag, by the way. I did very little research on it, so we're going to sort of discover together. I just knew it for capacity reasons. The classic do not eat silica gel. Oh, okay, so the thing that it came in is actually attached to the bag, so that's good to know. So it's sort of, and then it becomes one of the pockets. Oh, neat. Okay, see? Whoa. So this is what a 120 liter bag looks like. Dwarfing me, essentially. First impressions are it's super sturdy, so, you know, that's sort of the Patagonia trademark, that their stuff is guaranteed for life, and I actually have, and I have tested that. We had a bag like this before this that had started to rip through, and we brought it in and said, oh, it's starting to rip through. Can we like pay for it to get repaired? And they said no, and go pick up off the shelf a comparable bag because it was an older model, and it was just that simple. So point being, they absolutely stand behind their warranty. But let's get into it. So here's what I think is the front side of the bag. So it's got their big branding. It's got these, so you can hook stuff to it. A very generously sized front zippered pocket. Okay, and this, I think, is the pocket that it was stuffed into, and it became the interior pocket. I like this a lot. So it's got like a lid style duffel opening as opposed to a single zipper down the front. And it has, while I'm doing this, it's a little hard to do while I'm sitting on the couch, but in case you can't see it in the camera, it's got a real sheen to it. So it's like, I don't know if it's waterproof, but I'll researching it back to you, but that's the feeling of it. And then let's flip it around and take a peek at the back side. So the back side, again, these, if you wanted to hook something to it, but no pockets on the back side. And then on the sides, carry handle, and then these two, which I assume you could strap stuff to. There's another, oh, it straps to itself. So it could become a backpack. I'll explore more exactly how to do this in time. But first impressions, A+. It's got the sort of marquee durability that is Patagonia. I love the color. I love the construction. Oh, this is nice for comfort. Because when you're carrying these sort of big bags, it can really get heavy. So I like this a lot. Okay, so that is really nice. Yeah. So first impressions, A+. I'm going to do a little research into all these features and come back to you with full measurements, full features, explain everything. I think this thing also goes into backpack mode, so I'll figure out how to do all of that, and I will get back to you. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have a chance, check out my Atom 8L review, which is actually my most popular review. Thank you.